how to hand sew video tutorial shows knotting the thread 2 different ways. The first way just uses your hands, and this is the way that I was taught and the way that I knot my thread. You're going to find the end of your thread, and there it is, obviously, and then you're going to put it in between your thumb and your first finger so that you can take the thread and go around the back of your finger. So grasp it like that, wrap it around so you get both threads between your finger, and then gently twist them together. Can you see that twisting? I kind of show you there. Then get that twisting part between your thumb and first finger and gently pull, and you will have a knot in the end of your thread. Works slick as a whistle after you learn it. The second way to knot your thread involves using the needle itself as a twist for the thread. You're going to again find the end of your thread, and in the same way we did with the last one method, you're going to hold it between your thumb and your first finger and then put the eye of the needle next to it between those 2 fingers. You take the back thread that you had there first and twist it around the needle 3 times, at least, sometimes 4, and then put that little twisted area between the thumb and the first finger and gently pull the needle, and it will pull the thread through that twisted area, and when you're done and it's firm, you'll have a nice knot in the end of the thread. How to hand sew shows you knotting the thread 2 different ways. It's great. Come on over to Welcome to Nana's for more sewing tips and join the fun.